Bet you didn't know the most powerful composting ingredients on the planet are growing wild in your garden for free. Most gardeners spend money on compost activators, liquid feeds, and fertilizers. Meanwhile, the best composting ingredients are actually wild plants that most people pull out and bin without a second thought. Today, we're talking about foraging for fertilizer, specifically 3 wild plants absolutely loaded with nutrients and minerals. By the end of this video, you're going to look at these plants completely differently, and your compost pile is going to be a lot better for it. Let's kick things off with Comfrey, a plant cherished by gardeners for generations. With its lush, broad leaves and vigorous growth, Comfrey stands out not just for its beauty, but for its incredible usefulness. Comfrey is the star of the compost heap. Its leaves are packed with nutrients, especially potassium, that help transform ordinary compost into a rich, fertile amendment for your soil. Its deep roots mine minerals and trace elements most plants can't reach, making Comfrey a true nutritional powerhouse, especially for fruiting and flowering crops. To harness this, chop Comfrey leaves and layer them into your compost pile. They break down fast, heating up the heap and jump-starting decomposition. You can also make Comfrey tea. Just soak the leaves in water for a couple of weeks. Dilute the dark, nutrient-rich liquid and use it as a natural fertilizer, especially for tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes. Worried about Comfrey spreading? Choose the Bocking 14 variety. It's sterile, so it won't take over your garden. Comfrey regrows rapidly after cutting, so you can harvest it several times a season for a nearly endless supply of green matter. Its leaves also make excellent mulch. Spread them around fruit bushes and trees to feed the soil and suppress weeds. Comfrey's deep roots help break up compacted soil, improving drainage and aeration for neighboring plants. Comfrey is the original garden hack. Put it to work, and you'll see the difference in your plants and your harvest. Your compost will thank you, and your garden will thrive like never before. Stinging nettles. Most people avoid them, but gardeners know they're compost gold. Nettles are loaded with nitrogen, giving your compost pile a turbo boost to heat up and break down quickly. They've been used for centuries to invigorate soil and support healthy plant growth. Add fresh nettle tops for a rapid nutrient boost. Microbes love them, and they break down fast. Harvest young nettles before they flower for peak nutrients and to avoid spreading them. Gloves are a must, but the payoff is huge. With careful snipping, you get a free, abundant source of green material. You can also make a nitrogen-rich liquid feed by soaking chopped nettles in water, perfect for leafy crops. Nettles are perfect as a compost activator, especially if you have lots of dry, carbon-heavy material. So, grab your gloves and harvest. Nettles turn a prickly nuisance into gardening gold. Finally, let's talk about Yarrow, a compost secret weapon most gardeners overlook. While it's often admired for its delicate, feathery leaves and clusters of tiny white or yellow flowers, Yarrow's real magic happens beneath the surface and in your compost pile. Yarrow's deep, resilient roots reach far into the soil, pulling up essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, nutrients that are often missing from regular garden waste. When you add Yarrow to your compost, you're infusing it with these vital minerals, making your finished compost far more nourishing for your plants. Just a handful of Yarrow leaves and flowers in the pile can dramatically speed up decomposition. Yarrow contains natural compounds that stimulate microbial activity, helping beneficial bacteria and fungi break down tough plant material much faster than usual. It acts almost like a natural enzyme booster, breaking down stubborn stems, leaves, and even woody materials that might otherwise take months to decompose. You don't need much, just a little Yarrow goes a long way. Even a small amount can make a noticeable difference in the speed and quality of your compost. By balancing the compost, Yarrow helps create a richer, darker, and more crumbly finished product. The structure of your compost improves, making it easier to spread and more beneficial for your soil. Beyond the compost pile, Yarrow is a magnet for pollinators like bees and butterflies, supporting your entire garden ecosystem and encouraging greater biodiversity. It's incredibly easy to grow, thriving in poor, rocky, or sandy soils where other plants struggle. Yarrow is also drought-tolerant, making it a perfect choice for low-maintenance gardens or areas with limited rainfall. In autumn, gather dried Yarrow stems and flowers during your fall cleanup. Adding them to your compost pile ensures their benefits last through the winter, giving your compost a boost even in the colder months. For faster, more nutritious compost, Yarrow is the secret ingredient that can transform your garden soil and help your plants thrive all season long. So next time you spot yarrow growing wild or in your garden, don't just admire its beauty, gather a few stems and add them to your compost heap. Your garden will thank you. There you have it. 3 wild plants that cost nothing and supercharge your compost. Comfrey for potassium, Nettles for nitrogen, Yarrow for minerals and speed. Use them together for a composting system that rivals anything you can buy. See these plants as resources, not weeds, and your garden will thrive. Try just one this season and watch your compost transform. Until next time, happy growing.